Hey you guys, welcome to my channel and let's get cooking. Today I'm making baked stuffed mussels and I'm going to show you how I plated it. Before anything else, I have some notes for you. Cook your mussels first, do it as per instruction in the packaging, or if you got fresh ones, place the mussels in a large pot, add a little water, 1/4 cup or no water at all. Cover the pot with lid and cook over medium-low heat just until the shells open up. Let it cool down a bit and remove the other half of the shells. And by the way, all the ingredients are in the description. In a small saucepan over medium heat, melt butter, then add minced garlic and cook until tender. Add in the breadcrumbs and keep mixing for about a minute. Pour in the milk and stir continuously until the sauce starts to thicken. Season it with salt and cayenne powder. Cook until it becomes thick, and stirring it constantly will prevent it from burning. When it looks like this, remove it from the heat and set it aside. Transfer it into a bowl, cool it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and fold in your mayonnaise. Keep stirring until it's fully incorporated. So I added in a tablespoon of parsley, fresh ground pepper, and a tablespoon of grated Parmesan. This is a good time to preheat your oven to 360. Now we're getting the mussels ready. Line your baking tray with parchment paper or aluminum foil, spray it with some oil, and arrange your mussel shells. Stuffing time! Fill each mussel shell with the stuffing that we made. You can use a teaspoon. Well, that's what I use to make it easier. Then arrange them and put the grated quick melt on top of the filled mussels. Let's bake it. Bake it at 360 for 13 minutes or until your cheese has melted into your liking or browned, or just don't burn it. This is how I plated it. As you can see, I'm following a pattern here, a spiral or a circle, just making it as pretty as much as I can. Sprinkle dried chives, fresh ground pepper, and fresh basil on top. And voila, there you go. We have stuffed baked mussels. It's creamy, garlicky with a kick of spice, and everything nice. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.